Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm excited to share a bit about who we are and what we've been doing for this ventilator challenge over these past few weeks. So I'm an industrial designer at fuseproject. I've been here for about 5 years, and this has been a really new and different and challenging project for us to work on, which has been great. Since March, we've been looking for a way to contribute to what's been going on around the world and to do what we can do during this pandemic while being safe and working from home. So as a design firm, we know we can make a difference by approaching this challenge through a human-centric lens. Designing a valuable ventilator for COVID must consider the peripheral experiences, not just the internal components of a ventilator. So we spoke to ICU nurses, respiratory therapists, to really understand what they need during this pandemic. It's important on a project like this to be partnered up with creative engineers and other experts who can think outside the box and commit to relooking at something from the inside out. So for this project, we're working with Accenture and Cionic, and our team is doing whatever we can to bring new ideas to the table that can help alleviate manufacturing challenges. I'm going to let everyone here introduce themselves and tell us what they do. Again, I'm Daniel Zaram. It's nice to meet you virtually. I'm Fuse Project's team captain on this ventilator design challenge.
Hi, I'm Judy, industrial designer at Fuse Project. Particularly in this project, kind of focusing on kind of what are the user interfaces and the interactions and trying to understand how a ventilator truly works. So, yeah.
Yeah, hi, I'm Jae-hoon Jung. I'm just also Fuse Project. I'm also industrial designer. I work on like designing foam, just how to like manufacture. Yeah, and CMX thing. Yeah.
Hey, I'm Jayati.design, and I'm the environments designer at Fuse Project.
Hi, I'm Eric Osterly, and I am lead creative technologist at Fuse Project, and I'm working on everything from the user experience of the device to the internals and electrical and bridging design and technology on this project.
Dan, industrial design lead at Fuse Project. I'm just going to be supporting, providing guidance and support for the ID team.
Hi, I'm John. I'm an industrial designer at Fuse Project.
Hi, I'm Naomi, experienced designer from Fuse Project. I've been focusing on the interface and in experience design and ventilator.
Hi, I'm Gail. I'm an interaction designer at Fuse Project for the past 4 years. I've been helping lately on the user experience, user interface, and doing some quick prototyping to test our interface.
Hi, I'm Jeremiah Robinson, and I am the founder of Cionic. We're a medtech startup based in San Francisco, and we build precision bionics to help people living with neuromuscular disease achieve greater mobility and independence. I've had the pleasure of working with Fuse on a number of projects over the last 10 years, and when they reached out about this ventilator project, I thought it would just be a really outstanding opportunity to help in the face of COVID.
And I'm Eric. I'm one of the mechanical guys with Accenture. I'm your glorified CAD jockey, putting nuts and bolts and all sorts of good stuff inside of this ventilator.
Hi, I'm Brad Laird. I'm an engineering manager at the Forge for Accenture in Seattle.
And I'm Jonathan Screven. I'm a mechanical engineer with Accenture. I've been working on all the mechanical guts inside of the ventilator, and really glad to be able to get onto a project like this and work with such a talented team on trying to put something together in such a crazy time.
Really quick sketch before, but like I was thinking about the handle doubling as the cable management, because like once you use the handle, you don't need.
In general, like the more we can use parts to do more for us, the better. It's already there, and it can also be cable management. That's an advantage.
Should we look at what other ones we have just to see if there are other features that we like and want to carry over?
I think back to this guy, I think I like the idea, the attachment to the pole and then become a cable management. So you just wind up from the back
maybe take this concept on the left and CAD it up over the weekend, or are we good with just CADing up this one version?
Well, I think
which
first
can do?
the engineers see what's their input, you know, from the manufacturer assembly standpoint. I think it would be nice just to narrow down to one, right?
Yeah, but would really like your guys' feedback on this. And yeah, so why don't we start here before we move on to the next one. The next one is fairly similar, but with a larger 3D printed front face.
Yeah, the only thing about with going sheet steel and limiting the number of screws is you're gonna have to have some bent tab features that we could clip onto.
Mixing that combines the pressure sensing, the O2 sensing, all of that would be ideal to just drop in a single component. Otherwise, we can cobble it together.
Okay. Perfect. That was.
So are we going to make the dial fit the post, or do we still need a shorter post?
I'm checking what that looks like right now. It's starting to look
wow,
a lot more real.